Welcome to Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and as many of you know, I love mystery boxes or subscription boxes that come in the mail once a month. And I have a new one that I'd like to share with you. So this subscription box comes from a company called Cotton Cuts. And the subscription box is a little bit different, as in we're able to choose a lot of different things. I can have a thread subscription box and a fabric subscription box. And with the fabric boxes, I get to choose what type of fabric I want. Do I want it modern, seasonal? I can choose 12 fat quarters or 6 half-yard cuts. And it does come beautifully gift wrapped. So I have chosen the 6 half-yard cuts. And I chose modern. So we get the fabric, and there's some free things thrown in here. In this case, I have a free piece of fabric, an inspirational card, which I love to have this on my desk, some information on the back, and then with each box, I get another card that has a block on it, and on the back, it has a coloring page. So I can color in this to see how the pattern that I want to make using that one simple block will turn out to be. Then, to go along with the fabric, we have a choice of a free pattern. So I'm going to be able to go into their pattern section, and you will see in this example these 5 patterns. I'm going to click on the pattern that I want, put it in my shopping cart, and then I will put in the discount code, and I'm going to be able to get that free pattern. So each box you get to download and print a pattern that you want. So you do get choices of what you're going to want to make. And every month they feature a new designer. So all of these really makes it for a fun box to get in the mail. There are a few reasons I do like subscription boxes. Number one, it's nice to receive a gift in the mail. Even though the gift might be from myself, it's still nice to receive. There's often fabric in here that I might not have personally picked. And that's what's fun about it. Sometimes using fabric that you did not pick or you would not have normally picked gives us a chance to go a little bit outside of our comfort zone. And it's fun to see what we can create with these different fabrics. Subscription boxes are great to give as gifts. Who would not want to receive a subscription box once a month from someone that they love? It's definitely one way of remembering who you are getting the box from when you get something like this in once a month. And I love the nice sturdiness of this box. It's also a great storage box. And just in case you need to buy just a little bit more fabric, you do get a 25% discount in their fabric shop. Cotton Cuts also works with an organization from Valley Industries. It's a sheltered workshop. So the employees there cut the fabrics, package all of these fabrics, and gets them ready to be shipped. And they even can ship them out. So they are supporting their community, and they're helping people that have disabilities work for a living. So not only does it come beautifully packaged, I get to choose the type of fabrics I like and the amount. I love the free gift that comes with it each month, and I also like the idea that they are supporting their community. I'll put a link in the description so you can check out the different type of subscription boxes that they have. And thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're talking about next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.